Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the opening ceremony of Ellington High School's United Week for 2019. As you guys know, Ellington's a community that prides itself on fighting against hate. It's crucial that we work together as an entire school, the whole student body, to rid our school of hate, ridicule, and prejudice. Before you guys today, we've got a group of student leaders who help Ellington High School maintain an environment that keeps us all safe. We've got seniors Olivia Gillis, Deja Walker, Elizabeth Gerlach, Jonathan Conti, and Megan Beaton. There we go. We also have juniors Nick Sevo, Cole Angel, Ashka Patel, Sam Curtis, and Lexi Canton.
To give you a presentation created by the United Leadership Committee. United Leadership Committee, or ULC, is in its 6th year and is a selected group formed to make EHS a better place. We work together to bring our school as well as our community closer. This year's theme is My Voice Has Power, and this is our opening ceremony for this year's United Week.
My voice has the power to hurt.
Hey, what'd you get on the math test?
I got a 92. What about you?
I got a 70.
Well, moms are stupid. Why are you even carrying those books? It's not going to help you anyway.
My voice has the power to heal.
Hey, are you okay? Yeah.
Don't listen to her. The blonde jokes are so old anyway. Besides, we could always work together on math if we want. I'm having trouble too.
Thank you.
A negative voice might get a few awkward, uncomfortable laughs from a few people. But think about it. Most people will lose respect for you and trust you less. You actually lose more than you gain. Taking the time to help someone heal makes a more caring community.
My voice has the power to be aggressive.
Hey, Izzy, I saw you looking at my girl yesterday.
No, it's not like that.
What was that all about? Hey, I know you snapped her last night.
Let's just talk about this, please.
My voice has the power to be kind.
Hey, stop harassing him. It's probably just a misunderstanding and you both need to listen to each other.
An aggressive voice might intimidate someone and make you feel temporarily powerful. But most people will lose respect for you and see you as insecure or as a bully. In this situation, you might even lose the respect of the girl or guy you were trying to stay with. Next time, don't let negative emotions drive your voice. Take control instead and give yourself time to think about the consequences before you react.
My voice has the power to isolate.
Hey, you can't sit there. This seat's safe for somebody else. Go.
My voice has the power to include.
Hey, I was looking for you. Why don't we go sit over here instead?
Instead of just telling someone that this seat is taken, offer another spot nearby. Find a way to include others when you can. One day, you might be the one looking for a seat. Put yourself in that person's shoes before responding. Remember, kindness is contagious. Choose inclusion over exclusion.
My voice has the power to be a bystander.
Wow, I can't believe that he made the team. He's not even that fast, and I thought the team was trying to do well.
Yeah, they really blew it with that one.
My voice has the power to lead by example.
You know what? You can't say that. Why does it matter how fast somebody is? Everybody deserves to be treated with respect.
Standing by while others are treated unjustly can send a negative message. Some may think that you agree with what just happened, even though you don't. But when you lead by example, you send a message that you care about the kind of school environment you want. When you use your voice to lead, it will help others do the same.
My voice has the power to show bias.
Wow, someone's been watching too many YouTube videos about makeup.
We get that you're gay, but do you have to shove it down everybody's throat all the time?
Yeah, you look ridiculous.
My voice has the power to speak out against bias.
Wait guys, that really wasn't cool. Let me go talk to them. Hey ma'am, I'm super sorry for putting up with their homophobia. I'm actually really jealous of your eyeshadow skills and I'd love it if you could help me with my prom makeup.
Self-expression is a basic human right. When you harass others just for being themselves, you violate this right. But when you stand up to bias of all kinds, both publicly and in your private interactions, you build a safer community for those who are marginalized.
My voice has the power to hate.
Why would he post his college in his Instagram bio? There's no way he's smart enough to get in there.
My voice has the power to understand.
Hey, you barely know him and it's not your position to judge him anything. Let's just be happy that he got in.
Getting the knowledge needed to truly understand someone takes a lot of time. And I mean a lot, like decades or even a lifetime. No one has enough time to truly know more than a few people, if you really think about it. Maybe you know a close family member or lifelong best friends, but I'm sure there are things that you're still learning about them. Making judgments about people we don't truly know is called prejudging, better known as prejudice, and we all do it. The key is recognizing it when we are prejudging others. Next time you use your voice to make a quick remark about someone, try using your voice to ask them a question instead. Try to understand the other person and their voice.
The presentation you just watched showed how much power one voice has. We have to be incredibly careful how we use our voices, because individually we can cause great harm to others. Like the presentation said, we can hurt, isolate, be aggressive, or show hate and bias. But we have an equal amount of positive power. If we use our voices for good, we can heal. Be kind, speak out, and understand. One person who exemplifies this is Malala Yousafzai, a Pakistani activist for female education. After surviving an assassination attempt and going on to win the Nobel Peace Prize, Malala said,
"I raise my voice not so I can shout, but so those without a voice can be heard. We cannot succeed when half of us are held back."
if we use our voices for power to uplift others, we have the power to create real change.
With your help, our mission is to lead EHS students in promoting open-mindedness, acceptance of individuals' differences, and the benefits of diversity. Our end goal is to improve the school's environment for all students.
This week and for the rest of your time at Ellington High School, take the pledge. As a member of Ellington High School's student body, I pledge from this day forward to do my best to interrupt prejudice and to stop those who, because of hate, would hurt, harass, or violate the civil rights of anyone.
I will make a conscious effort to be aware of my own biases against people who are different from me.
I will ask questions and actively seek to gain a better understanding about cultures, races, religions that I don't understand.
I will speak out against anyone who mocks, seeks to intimidate, or actually hurts someone of a different race, religion, ethnic group, or sexual orientation, or someone with a medical, physical, or mental disability. Instead, I will at times reach out in support of those who are targets of harassment.
I will think about specific ways that my school, my peers, my community, and I can promote respect for all people and create a prejudice-free zone.
I firmly believe that one person can make a difference, and that no person can be an innocent bystander when it comes to opposing hate. United begins with me.
You will be able to join us in taking the pledge. Everyone will have a chance to sign it throughout all lunch waves today through Friday.
T-shirts go on sale this week during all lunch waves, starting today and before school on Friday. The shirts this year are yellow and say "My Voice Has Power, United Week 2019. They will be $5 and we only have a limited number in each size, and it's first come, first served, so be ready to buy yours so we can all wear them on Friday at the pep rally.
Just a quick couple highlights about our United Week ahead. Wednesday is our Truth About Hate event, and we are also going to be giving out raffle tickets on this day. This will all lead up to Friday, which is our pep rally and basketball game between our varsity team and our unified basketball team. So be ready to wear your yellow United Week shirts on Friday.
All throughout the week, we will be holding a raffle and giving out tickets to people who sign the pledge, buy a t-shirt, and take a photo at our photo booth. Raffle prizes include gift cards from Luann's, Cloder's, and Hometown Pizza. You also have an opportunity to win the principal's parking spot or pizza with the principal.
During lunch this week, we will have a photo booth. This will be a great opportunity to have fun and take photos with friends and spread United Week's message of positivity. Make sure to post your photos to Instagram with hashtag MyVoiceHasPower for extra raffle tickets. Also, follow us at United EHS for updates on the week and tag us in your pictures.
Thank you for participating in this opening ceremony for the kickoff to our 2019 United Week. Just remember, your voice has the power to hurt or heal, isolate or include, promote hate or promote understanding. The choice is yours.